சொலற்கரிய திருப்புகழை உரைத்தவரை அடுத்த பகை அர்த்தியறிய உருக்கியலும் அறத்தை நிலை காணும். The sacred Tirupuzhal is beyond words, filled with divine grace and infinite wisdom. Those who sing these hymns of Tirupuzhal with a heart full of love and devotion will have all their enemies completely destroyed by Lord Muruga's powerful will. It also removes the inner enemies within us, like anger, ego, jealousy, and ignorance. Lord Shiva once told Parvati, Devi, even if we speak for 100 billion years, it would still not be enough to describe the greatness of your son Kandan. Such is the immeasurable glory of Lord Murugan. Yet, Saint Arunagirinathar, through his 1340 Tirupuzhal hymns, has graciously shared that divine greatness with us. Each Tirupuzhal is not just a song, it is a protective fortress for our lives. Now tell me in the comments, how many Tirupuzhal do you chant daily? If you like this video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Vedaganam, the voice for Tamil devotion. Stay tuned.